Alright, next we go to the next chapter. Okay, differential equations of first order. Okay, so let's say we have dy over dx plus 5y equals exponent x, and another one we have d square y over dx square minus dy over dx plus 6y equals to 0. Okay, between these two differential equations, which one is the first order differential equation? And of course, we can say that this one is the first order differential equation. Okay, first order differential equation. Why? Because we have the first order derivatives here. Okay, first order derivatives here. Apa maksud the first order derivatives? That means we have a differential equation here. Okay, first order differential equation here. Okay, and it can be written as y prime plus 5y equals to exponent x. Okay, y prime, it means dy over dx. Okay, plus 5y equals to exponent x. Okay, it can be written as like this. Okay, but for b, we can say that it is second order differential equation. Second order differential equation. Why? Because we have second order derivatives. Okay, second order derivatives. And it can be written as y double prime. Okay, because we have second order, so we have double prime here. Minus y prime plus 6y equals to 0. Sama je konsep dia. Okay, d square y over dx square, it means y double prime. Okay, minus dy dx, it is y prime, and then plus 6y equals to 0. Okay, even though we have dy over dx, even though we have the first order derivatives here, but we say that this is second order derivatives. Why? Because we refer to the highest order derivatives here, which is second order derivatives here. Okay, you faham now? Okay, this one is the first order derivatives, this one is second order derivatives. First order differential equation, second order differential equation. Okay, this is a difference here. Okay, so for now, we're gonna learn about the first order differential equation. Okay, so how do you want to solve the differential equation using separable variables? Okay, so the methods to solve the separable equations, it can be written as dy over dx equals fx times gy. Okay, so we have two separable variable here. Okay, this one function f in terms of x, function g in terms of y. Okay, two separable variable here. Okay, for example, dy over dx equals to 4xy. So we know that 4x is fx. For y, okay, y, it is gy. Okay, we have two separable variable here. Okay, another example, if we have y square dy over dx equals to x, so we need to write down in the form like this. Okay, dy over dx equals to fx times gy. So dy over dx kekalkan dia. Then y square, we need to move to the right side. Okay, it will become x over y square. Okay, and then what? Okay, we need to know two separable variable. Okay, it is x times with 1 over y square. So we know that x is fx and 1 over y it is gy. Okay, faham now? Konsep two separable variable. Okay, so the method to solve the separable variable, okay, kita perlu, we need to satukan. Okay, we know that this is dy over dx, this is fx, this is gy. Satukan in terms of y dengan in terms of x. Dy, okay, satukan dengan gy. Fx satukan dengan dx. It will become dy over gy, it is multiply. Move to the left, it will become divide. Gy equals fx. Dx ni, okay, it is divide. Move to the right, it will become multiply dx. Okay, you faham nah? Satukan, okay, in terms of y dengan in terms of x. Okay, and then we know that dy over gy here, okay, gy it means 1 over gy, right? So we need to eliminate this denominator. Kita tak nak ada pembahagian kat bawah ni. We need to eliminate this denominator. Okay, so how to eliminate this denominator? We need to let hy equals to 1 over gy. Okay, let hy equals to 1 over gy. Okay, so gantikan. We know that 1 over gy it is hy, right? So hy dy equals to fx dx. So now kita dah eliminate the denominator. Okay, and then what? Integrate both sides. Okay, integrate both sides. So integrate hy dy equals to integrate fx dx. So this is the method to solve the separable equations. Okay, you faham now? Alright, so look at example. Okay, look at example 3.1. Okay, example 3.1. Look at B. Okay, yang A tu dia dah bagi contoh siap-siap. Okay, look at B. So B, we have dy over dx equals to x over y. So we have two separable variable here. Okay, two separable variable. Kita satukan in terms of y dengan in terms of x. Okay, y move to the left and then dx move to the right. Okay, it will become y dy equals to x dx. Okay, dua-dua ni bahagian pembahagi. Okay, bahagian divide. Okay, move to the left and then dx move to the right, it will become multiply here. Okay, and then what? We need to integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. Okay, so integrate y. How do we get? Okay, integrate y will become y square over 2. Okay, ingat lagi tak? Y square over 2 plus c1. Okay, after integrate, we need to add c. Okay, and then integrate x. We get x square over 2 plus, because of this one is c1, so this is c2. Okay, and then what? c1 move to the right. It will become y square over 2 x square over 2 plus c. Okay, kenapa c? Because Okay, C it is constant. C1 and C2 also constant. We don't know what the number it is. Okay, so kita cancelkan C1 dengan C2 tu jadi C saja. Okay, boleh faham now? It will be like this lah. C equals to C2 minus C1. Okay, disebabkan ni constant, kita tak tahu nombor dia. So, kita just write down C. Okay, write down C saja. Okay. So, this is the answer. Alright. You faham now? So, look at C. So, C we have dy over dx, y equals to y over x. Okay, so we need to do a separable variables here. Okay, dy over dx, it is equal y. X ni, it means 1 over x, right? Okay, and then what? Y move to the left, it will become divide, right? And then dx move to the right, it will become multiply. 1 over x dx. Okay, faham tak? Jadikan yang the right side it is in terms of x, the left side it is in terms of y. Okay, and then what? Integrate both sides. Okay, y ni it means 1 over y dy equals to 1 over x dx. And then you can integrate both sides. So integrate 1 over y, it is ln y. Remember? Okay, and then integrate 1 over x, it is ln x plus c. Okay, tak perlu tambah c kat sini. Okay, just tambah c dekat bahagian in terms of x. So this is the answer. Sama saja. Okay, so tak perlu ada C1, C2. Okay, just tambah C pada bahagian X, in terms of X. Okay, you faham now? So this is the answer for C. Next page. Look at example 3.2. Ini 3.2. Okay, look at A. dy over dx, it is equal 3x squared y. So, we have two separable variable here. Okay, and then what? Satukan, okay, in terms of y, in terms of x. So, dy over y. 3x squared dx. Okay, y ni dalam konsep multiply, move to the left, it will become divide. Dx ni is in terms, di dalam divide, move to the right, it will become multiply here. And then, y ni, separatekan dia, 1 over y dy, 3x square dx. Then, you can integrate both sides. Okay, and then, integrate 1 over y, it is ln y. And integrate 3x square. It is 3x power 3 divided by 3. Okay, and then plus c. So 3 with this 3 we can cancel out. So the last answer would be ln y equals to x cubed plus c. This is the answer. Okay, you found now? Now look at B. B is dy over dx. Okay, equals to 1 minus x divided by 2 plus y. Okay, so how to solve this one? Okay, satukan in terms of y dengan in terms of x. So, this 2 plus y, okay, move to the left, it will become 2 plus y dy. Dx move to the right, 1 minus x dx. Okay, and then integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. Okay, so 2 plus y. Okay, integrate 2, we get 2y. Integrate y, we get y squared over 2. It is equal. Integrate 1, we get x. Minus, integrate x, we get x power 2 divided by 2. Plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, you faham now? Then you can try C. Okay, question C. You can try do on your own. Okay. And then look at example 3.4. Okay, 3.4. So we have question dy over dx equals 1 minus 2x plus 3x square. Okay. Okay, soalan dia minta apa? Find general solution. General solution tu that means we need to make y a subject lah. Macam tadi lah. Okay, general solution tu. Okay. So, kita tak ada variable y, right? Then, dy, it is fixed. Dx move to the right. It will become 1 minus 2x plus 3x square. Dx. Okay. Even kita tak ada variable y kat sini, it's okay. Okay. Just integrate both sides. Okay. Integrate both sides. Okay. Integrate dy. We know that dy ni value dia 1 kat sini, depan dia. So, integrate 1, we get y. Okay. Integrate 1, we get x. Okay. Sebab dia dalam in terms of x. Okay. And then, minus, integrate 2x, we get 2x power 2 divided by 2. Integrate 3x square, it is 3x cubed over 3 plus c. So, this one we can cancel out. So, the last answer would be y equals to x minus x square plus x cubed plus c. So, this is the answer. Okay? You faham now? Okay, you can try example 3.5. Okay, try example 3.5. Okay, tak faham boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp, okay?